On this step, I'm preparing the inside frame with pocket holes so that I can put a 2.5 inch screw, and right there's the exit point that'll go into the underside of my workbench top. To ensure that I have the entry point into this 2x4, I've put a 1.5 inch spacer flush with the top, and my pocket hole drill guide will butt up against the bottom, and I will clamp it. I'm now ready to screw the top down, and I've got a 2-inch overhang all the way around. And so where I've got it clamped caddy corner, that's where I'm first going to put my screws just to hold it in place, and I'm going to climb inside and attach it from the center out to the ends. Oh, it's a little tight fit in here for a big old guy like me. All the pocket hole screws have been installed, and the top is pretty much pulled down flush with the rest of the cabinet. So I'm happy there. I just hope that it doesn't crack. Well, time will tell. But I've got it all sealed up there, so most of the dust won't be able to infiltrate this. After I get the top completely sanded and smoothed, I'll do some more sanding on the outside of the workbench, and then we'll do a little research on building some panel doors. I don't know if they'll be raised panel. It may just be flat boards in there. I'm not sure.